Hi, I'm Bruce Tridell, the owner of Bethel Music Center. Welcome to the workshop at BMC. I've been repairing musical instruments since 1979, and my team has been providing the area with the highest quality maintenance and repairs since we opened in 1984.
Our technicians specialize in band, orchestra, and fretted instrument repair, working regularly with the area's schools, universities, and top musicians. We provide services from the most basic maintenance to major repairs, restoration, and large-scale custom work. The BMC workshop uses only genuine replacement parts when repairing instruments. All of our repairs are performed using well-established techniques and top-of-the-line equipment. We guarantee our work for 60 days.